Hello students, what's up? I am your Mistri sir and welcome to my channel Mistri sir classes. In these sessions I am going to discuss some important question based upon radius of atom and relations between radius of atom and the age length. So here it is very important. Now first of all we will discuss the question number first. The unit cell edge length of sodium fluoride crystal is 4.634 angstrom if the ionic radius of sodium ion is 95 pm. Now what is the radius of fluorine ion? Fluorine ion, now here it is the extra but important point, that means assuming that anion contact and SCC BCC as well as FCC, because in these questions they do not mention this type of unit cell. Now if that case, even in this type of questions, you have to understand now simple cubic cell, because many questions mentioned about BCC, SCC, FCC. If that case, they not this type of questions, they do not mentions any kind of informations. Now we will assuming the SCC mainly. So here it is important facts. Now I show on the value. Now previous video I taught you the relations between edge length and radius of atoms. Now here rank of unit cell, that means rank or unit cell, they do not important in this questionnaires, because in this questionnaires having the 6 value. There is not a 6 value. If you remember R value, so definitely you will find A value also. So here it is very important student, so I show here. Now in these questions I am coming to the point. Now see the unit cell age length of sodium fluoride. Age length of sodium fluoride is 4.63634 angstrom. So given value is that A, how much? 4.634 angstrom, and one parameter, that means R positive value, that means if the ionic radius of sodium ion is 94, sodium ion is 94 pm. Now students, see in these questions now two extra exceptional point. So first of all, the parameter is different, and second point is this type of questions, they do not mention now which type of unit cell, SCC, BCC, FCC. So I am here assuming on the SCC. Now based on the SCC, now put on the formula students. Now I am writing here R plus R plus plus R, R plus plus R minus, which is equals to A by 2. That means this, what is the formula? Formula is that R, which is equals to A by 2. A by 2. Now question is the ionic radius. So very simple students. Now you put on the value. Now I am putting on the value. Now this value is going to this type of rules. Now here it is on the value. Now I am already calculated this value, because my mobile being on the recording video. So I already calculate the value. So here it is very important, that means angstrom I shall convert into picometer. So one angstrom which is equals to 100 picometer. So I am multiply on this value 100. So here it is. So R negative, that means fluoride ion, 231.7 minus 95 picometer. Now how much is the answer? 136.7 picometer. So here it is answer. Very simple question students. Now we move on the next question. Now see students, the question, the radius of copper atom is 128 picometer if the crystallize in a face centered cubic lattice. What will be the length of edge of the unit cell? Here it is very important students. Now I am writing here directly. Now solutions. Now you see, now crystal is what? FCC. here mentioned FCC, that means you need only the formula of edge length. Edge length of formula is a which is equals to a which is equals to 2 under root 2 r. Okay, now it is a converted form. So very simple, very simple. Now see here, now radius of copper atom. Now radius, that means r value is 2 1 128. So you put on the value 2 under roots value, under root 2's value 1.414, and how much is that? 1 to 8. Very simple, students. Now finally what we get? Now 3:62 p.m. because I am telling you already, dear students. Now I am calculate all kind of the equations already calculated. So the value is the 362. If you know the formula of radius or edge length, so here it is very simple. Now these questions is homework, test your self questions. Now you do, student. Now same questions previously, just here it is change on the parameter. That means you have to know, you have to apply it on the body centered formula. So here it is very simple and quite easy. Now next question. Now here it is question number 4. It is also very quite easy. Now silver metal crystallize in the CCP arrangement. Now here it is very important. Now here is very important, that means it is CCP. CCP also known as FCC. Last video I taught you. So with the edge length of unit cell, edge length of unit cell having a length, that means unit cell's value is 407 picometer. What is the radius of silver atom? It is very important and quite easy, students. Now see, now the solution, the solution, that means a, that means edge length value is 407 pm. And what is the radius of silver atom? Radius, that means now formula is that r which is equals to a by 2 under root 2. Now see the students, this value, now you put on this value. So here it is very important, r which is equals to a's value is that 407 pm upon 2 into, now under roots value is that 1.414. Now since you also mentioned here, now under root 2 which is equals to 1.414. So here it is very important. Now finally what we get, students? Now value is 143.9 pm. So here it is very important, students. Now next question is test yourself questions. Now C, students, silver crystallize is FCC, and FCC here it is mentioned on the CCP. Now same question, CCP also known as FCC. Now each side of unit cell, each side of unit cell all has a length of, now similarly length of 407 pm. Now here it is 409 pm. Now what is the radius of atom of silver? What is the problem, students? It is very simple and quite easy question, so you have to do yourself. Now students, here is very important questions. Now 5.70 to 5.80, that means it is 11 questions. Now all questions, test yourself questions. So student, I want to tell you now some questions I am telling you here, because if you low mentality or the confidence has not get yourself about you, so I want to telling you some question. Now see, students, now read question number first. Iron crystallize in a body centered. Now here it is very important, iron crystal. Okay. Now any kind of crystal having iron metal, So here it is crystal iron metals having BCC, and calculate the radius of iron atom of each length. Now see here students, now formula is the body centered. Now R, what is that? Means R, which is equals to under root 3a, under root 3a, that means R, which is equals to under root 3a upon 4. Now put on the value, under root 3's value is 1.73 into how much a's value is that, how much a's value is that, 286 pm upon 4. Finally what you get, 123.48 pm. Very simple students. Now see another questions. Question number second, 5.71. Atomic radius of aluminum is 125 pm. If aluminum has a FCC structure, calculate the each length of unit cell. It is very important. Now radius is given, and what is asking the question, just opposite in the question, just opposite. But now question number 5.71, 71 solution. Now see here, it is FCC. FCC. Now FCC formula is that, what we need students, age length. So age length value is a, which is equals to 4 pi under root 2, 4 pi under root 2, 4 pi under root sorry, mm, 4 pi, no, 4 r under root 2. So here it is very important. Now what is the value? Now what is the value? Actually, sorry students, we don't need age length, because question asking age length, So formula is that r, which is equals to under root 2a, uh, under root r, which is equals to under root 2a upon 4. Now put on the value only. Now under root 2 value is 1.414 into how much 125, 125 5 angstrom, and upon 4, how much students? Now answer is your right side, 353, 353 angstrom. So here it is very important students. If you see my previous video, that means the atomic radius and relations between atomic radius and age length. If you watch my video, so definitely in these questions, in those questions you have to do, otherwise you can't solve these questions. So here it is very important students. Now many teachers or tutor told them, now we have many exceptional trick, but I have also many exceptional trick, but when you have to complete about your theoretical portions, after that you have to create different kind of tricks. So trick is never important to us and you also. So you have to go on the long pattern students. So you can achieve your all dreams, goals and questions. So I want to tell you students, if you like this video, please share, subscribe and comments, and you get one to next informations about my channel, about my video. So please press the bell icon button. Thank you for watching this video.